let's start with another type of simple permanent tissue, collenchyma. Collen means glue. This tissue has cells which are glue-like. The flexibility in plants is due to presence of collenchymal tissue. It allows easy bending in various parts of plant like leaf and stem without breaking. When wind blows at a high speed, we can see that plants bend their shoots and leaves without breaking. That flexibility is provided by the collenchyma because they act as glue. Now let's discuss its features one by one. It consists of living tissue, as you can see. Cells in this tissue, they have nucleus and cytoplasm. Thus, it is a living tissue with thin-walled cells, but walls are thick at corners due to presence of cellulose and pectic. As you can see that at corners where number of cells are joining, cell walls are thick, otherwise cell walls are thin. These thickenings are due to cellulose and pectic, and due to this thickening, flexibility is provided to leaves and stem. As we can see, the cells are packed very compact and there is no space between the cells. Thus we can say that intercellular spaces are absent. It is present in leaf stalk below epidermis. These are the features of collenchyma. Now let's discuss functions of collenchyma. Functions of collenchyma include that it provides support and mechanical strength to plant. It provides mechanical support, elasticity and tensile strength to the plant body. It is present at margin of some leaves. Thus it resists tearing effect of wind. These are main functions of collenchyma, that it provides mechanical strength and it reduces tearing effect of wind. Now we will start with third type of simple permanent tissue. That third type of simple permanent tissue is sclerenchyma. Another type of simple permanent tissue is sclerenchyma. It is a third type. It is a tissue which makes plant hard and stiff. We have seen husk of coconut. That husk of coconut is made of sclerenchyma. It consists of dead cells. These are long, narrow, and you can see in this diagram walls are thickened due to deposition of lignin, which acts as a cementing material. Due to the deposition of lignin, walls have become thick, and lumen means cavity between the cells. Cavity has decreased, so size of lumen is very small. Often these walls are so thick that there is no internal space inside the cell. So we say that lumen is very narrow or it is absent. So this tissue is present in stems, around vascular bundle, in veins of leaves and in hard covering of seeds and nuts. You must have seen almonds, and almond has very hard outer covering. That hard outer covering is made up of sclerenchyma. So let's study properties of sclerenchyma. It is a simple permanent tissue which makes plant hard and stiff, as it consists of dead cells. These cells have hard and thick walls due to the deposition of lignin. Lignin deposition is so thick that walls become strong, rigid and impermeable to water. इसीलिए जब हम कोकोनट वाटर लेते हैं तो उसके अंदर ऐसा होता है, ड्राई नहीं होता, because walls are very thick due to deposition of lignin and they have become impermeable to water. तो जो कोकोनट के अंदर वाटर होता है वो इवेपोरेट नहीं हो पाता. These walls are so thick that there is no internal space inside the cell, so that we can say that lumen is very narrow or it is absent. You can see in this figure that between the cell walls small gaps are present. These small gaps are called pits. Thus we can say that pits are present in cell wall. Cells of sclerenchyma can be classified into two main types, fibers and scleroids. Cells of sclerenchyma are further divided into two types, fibers and scleroids. Fibers are long elongated cells which has pointed ends as shown in diagram. These cells vary in length from 1 mm to 550 mm. They are usually packed like clusters. Sclerites are those cells which are relatively short and possess thick walls due to deposition of lignin. They are short in size. Thus, the main function of sclerenchyma is to give mechanical support to the plants. It provides protective covering around seeds and nuts. It's present in husk of coconut. It is present as a covering of almond, which is known as the hard endocarp of almond. It is present in the grit of apple, pear and guava. एप्पल में, पियर में और गुआवा में सीड्स के बाहर जो कवरिंग होती है वो भी किसकी बनी होती है? स्क्लेरेंकाइमा की. Sclerenchyma of some plants, they provide us fibers. Fibers are also made up of sclerenchyma like flax, hemp, jute, etc. So these are features and functions of sclerenchyma. Thus we have completed with types of simple permanent tissue, parenchyma, collenchyma and sclerenchyma.